back with another video on this SSC Tuatara, or I mean what some people are calling it, the first American hypercar. This video is a follow-up video on the last one that I did about it. If you haven't seen that, be sure to check that out. But this video is purely just the sounds of this car, just all the crazy stuff, how it looks. Just take a look.
Band where it just keeps rolling and rolling and rolling. And were there any gear changes at all from 50 to however I don't think I can say on camera how fast we were going, but not one gear change.
We'll do one. I want you to do a traction control, so we'll do one real quick.
Embarrassed with the way I looked on camera just now. I know. Oh my god. This is probably the first time you guys are able to actually hear me talk, because the engine is just such a beast, and it roars, and the experience and everything that this car offers. Jared, I'm amazed at what you've created. I
like
really
to hear
am.
that.
I really am. So I know I haven't been able to touch on it yet, but 1750 horsepower with E85.
Correct.
91, it's 1350.
Correct.
1350-ish. At 1750 horsepower, that is 1.3 megawatts. Your power to weight ratio on this thing is just, there's no other like it.